In this video, I'm going to help you internalize the 4 tones in Mandarin Chinese. Now, I know you're probably familiar with ma, 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 ma. But in this video, we won't be using ma, 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 ma. Instead, we're going to go with me, 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 me. Initial m and the final e combined me. So me, 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 me is what we'll be using in this video. 4 tones in Mandarin Chinese. Here we go. Now the first tone goes me. Say it with me, please. Me. Me. It's just flat me. I have this music tab over here that reads do, re, mi, fa, so. So this me in this music tab and the first tone in Chinese, me, they too are exactly the same. Me, me, me. All right? So that's how you make the me sound. Yeah, that's what the first tone sounds in Chinese. Me, me, yeah, me. Okay. Now I couldn't find something to match the second tone in Chinese, so you'll have to just practice with me, okay? Me. Say with me. 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 It goes up. Me. Me. All right, let's do one more. Me. Me. On to the third tone. Now the third tone goes like this. Me. Me. Now I know a lot of native speakers teach you to say me. I do not want you to do that because you will not say it like that in a sentence. When this character is paired with another character, you would not go me. You only do that in isolation, okay? So just stick with me, all right? Now let's practice. Me. Me. One more time. Me. Okay? Now I have a sentence for you right here. Now the sentence is in English. If you're a native English speaker, if English is your first language, I am pretty sure that the intonation in the sentence goes like this. Stay with me. I tried to tell him, but he wouldn't let me. Right here. Me. When you say me, yeah, you drop it. So you drop the sound. He wouldn't let me. This me right here is the third tone in Mandarin Chinese. Me. All right, say it with me, please. Me. Me. All right, so just practice the sentence in English and then you'll get the gist of the third tone in Chinese, okay? So that's the third tone taken care of. Let's move to the fourth tone. Now the fourth tone in Chinese goes me. Me. Now I have this written down here for you. So the fourth tone in Chinese is like the long vowel sound in English, as in meat. Yeah? Neat. Ni. Ni. Now practice with me, please. Me. Meat. Me. Neat. Me. Ni. There you go. The fourth tone is easy, right? Fourth tone. Congratulations, now you know all the tones in Chinese. That's a big step up. Now, let's put them into practice, okay? So I have these characters written down over here in vertical. They are 4 tones in sequence, okay? Now, I'm going to model it first, and then I want you to repeat after me, all right? So we know me, 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 right? Now this one goes 生活很累. And that means life is hard, life is tired. 累 means tired, hard. Okay? Now repeat after me, please. 生活, this means life. 很累. 生活很累. One more time. 生活很累. Me, 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 me. 生活很累. Let's remove the initials in these characters. Then it sounds like, stay with me. Say it with me. Or, a. Or, a. Yeah. 生活很累. Okay. Now let's do the next phrase. 芝麻很贵, which means sesame seeds are expensive. Now say it with me. 芝麻很贵. 芝麻很贵. One more time. 芝麻很贵. Now, removing the initials. E, R, N, Ui. E, R, N, Ui. Yeah, so these two characters are the same. Hen. Yeah. Hen means very. All right, let's practice one more time. 芝麻很贵. 芝麻很贵. All right, let's do the last one. 教狼洗面. This means teach a wolf to wash its face. Now, 教 means to teach. 狼, right here, 狼 means wolf. 洗 means to wash. 面 means hello, face. Okay, now removing the initials. Stay with me. L, ang. Practice with me, please. Ang, E, N. L, ang, E, N. Yeah, removing the initials might be easier for you to practice along, right? Now let's bring the initials back. 教狼洗面. One more time, please. 教狼洗面. 教狼洗面. Now let's practice them all and we'll be done here. Say it with me, please. E, 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 E. 生活很累. 芝麻很贵. 教狼洗面. All right, that's all I got for you this time. I hope you've enjoyed this journey. If you have any questions, make sure you leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. Okay? Have a good one. Bye.